As we move forward, let's delve deeper into the various facets of data engineering to build a clearer understanding of its importance, processes, and applications. The data engineering lifecycle. Data engineering is not a one-off task but a continuous lifecycle that includes several key stages. Data ingestion. This is the first step where data is collected from various sources, such as databases, APIs, or data lakes. Understanding how to efficiently ingest data is crucial, as it lays the foundation for all subsequent processes. Data storage. Once ingested, data needs to be stored in a way that is both scalable and accessible. This often involves choosing between traditional databases, NoSQL systems, or cloud storage solutions. You'll learn how to evaluate the best storage options based on the volume, variety, and velocity of the data. Data transformation. Raw data is often unstructured or semi-structured and needs to be cleaned, formatted, and transformed. This step is where the extract, transform, load, ETL processes come into play. You'll learn techniques to manipulate data so it can be effectively analyzed. Data modeling. Effective data modeling is vital for optimizing storage and retrieval. You'll explore different modeling techniques, such as star and snowflake schemas, and understand how to create models that serve business needs. Data orchestration. Managing the workflow of data processes is essential for maintaining efficiency. Tools like Apache Airflow or Luigi help in scheduling and monitoring data pipelines, ensuring that data flows seamlessly from ingestion to analysis. Data security and governance. With data privacy regulations becoming increasingly stringent, understanding how to secure data and implement governance policies is essential. You'll explore best practices for protecting sensitive information and ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR. Data serving. Finally, once the data is processed and stored, it must be made accessible for analysis and reporting. You'll learn about data warehouses and data marts, as well as techniques for efficient querying and reporting. Real-world applications. Data engineering is pivotal across various industries. Here are a few examples. E-commerce. Data engineers optimize recommendation systems by analyzing user behavior, enabling personalized shopping experiences. Healthcare. In healthcare, data engineers build pipelines that integrate patient data from multiple sources to improve patient care and operational efficiency. Finance. Financial institutions rely on data engineering to process transactions in real time, detect fraud, and analyze risk. The skill set of a data engineer. As you embark on this journey, it's important to cultivate a diverse skill set. Programming skills. Proficiency in languages like Python, Java, or Scala is essential for writing efficient data processing scripts. Database management. Knowledge of SQL and NoSQL databases will be fundamental to managing and querying data. Big data technologies. Familiarity with tools like Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka will be crucial for handling large data sets. Hit the like button if you found this useful and don't forget to subscribe to F-Tech for more videos.